How to create an account on Discover Bank. Are you guys facing issues to create an account on Discover Bank? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now search for Discover Bank. Once you enter the website, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this option for login and open account. You are looking to create an account, right? Tap on open account. Now select the options according to your preference. If you want to create checking account, tap on checking account. After you click on it, you need to write down your first name, last name, your suffix, your email address, phone number. Once you fill up all these details, tap on continue. Once you click on continue, you need to write down your social security number. Once you write down, again re-enter your social security number. Then after write down your mother's name, enter your date of birth, and select the country of citizenships. Write down your and select your occupation as well. Once you fill up all these details, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will be able to create your account. And that's it guys. That's how you're going to create an account on Discover Bank. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.